Yo, what's good, fam? It's your boy C's from theCZLife.com. Thanks for taking the time out of your day to check in on me and continuing to rock with your boy. It is Friday, and I'm not even gonna hold y'all, man, but last night, not even just last night, yesterday, I was down bad. I don't know what it was, but I had like the severe chills, had a fever, and yeah, I was not doing well at all. So I just sunk into my room, turned down the blinds, and just laid up and rest up. Couldn't even wake up this morning and do my training sessions or even go to the gym and get a walking in. I was just weak as hell. But I'm feeling better now. I'm at the Mazda dealership getting my wife's car serviced. Just had me some Mickey D's to kind of get some sort of grease and protein in me, because like I just still feel weak. Although I'm feeling a lot better than I was yesterday, I still feel super weak. But hopefully, you know what I mean, it's all gone. It was maybe a 24-hour bug. Definitely wasn't the vid, because it would basically last a lot longer, but just a 24-hour bug. Hopefully we'll see as the day progresses how I feel. Anyway, in regards to AMC, all week long we've been basically trading sideways, you know, in like the $36 channel. Really doesn't matter, because shorts have been covered. At the end of the day, that is the thesis. That's what we're waiting for, and you have to be able to hang your hat on that. Like, hey, if the shorts cover and the price is still in this position, okay, I'll flip my card over and like have at it. But shorts haven't covered yet, and there's some chatter going on whether or not we're going to squeeze this year. I personally don't think that we're going to squeeze this year because of so many factors. Again, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice, but I think there's so much that lies beneath this play here that's at, you know, because I think there's some collusion going on. I don't have any proof of it, but it's just a gut feeling, because I don't ask myself why the shorts haven't covered. I ask myself, how is it that they haven't covered? Like, how is it that they haven't run out of money yet in order to cover this position? We're in quarter four. This is when progress reports tend to come out, and this is when people need to know how their money performed this year. And for some reason, that hasn't happened yet. So, got this car passing by. So we're just waiting to see, like, I just need to know how they're able to stay in this play, given that they have already lost, given that, you know, they have no more tricks up their sleeves. They put all their tricks out, the FUD articles, the shills, they you know, the dark pools, the synthetics. They did everything that they could to keep this price down, but yet more people buy in every day and the price stays the same, right? Retail owns the float, but yet the price stays the same. I don't know, but I think they are going to carry it on to next year. There's a lot of legislation that still needs to be passed, the debt ceiling, default, all that, etc., etc. There's so much happening right now that there's so much more at play than what meets the eye. The play does not involve the chart at all. It revolves what's going on in the rooms, in the back rooms, in the boardrooms of these hedge funds and the government, right, and the SEC. Everybody knows at this point what's going on, and they know what's going on way before we did, right? They know they can't get out of it, but yet there's something happening behind the scenes that we do not know. Maybe in 3 years, when they publish a movie about this whole situation, we'll know what happened in the back door, in the back rooms. But until then, it's all speculation, right? Based on what I've been looking at, the movies I've been watching, The Big Short, Too Big to Fail, etc., etc., you see how these things and these deals, these backdoor deals, happen behind the scene. But it wasn't revealed until the movie came out, right? So I'm figuring that that's going to happen, and just an early prediction before this movie comes out is that the government is fitting this bill somehow, some way, directly or indirectly, right? They're giving these hedge funds money to stay in this play, maybe pay their short interest, etc., etc. Again, I have no basis for this claim. This is just a gut feeling. This is just my thoughts, because there's no way that they will be able to stay in this play this long without any outside assistance, right? There's always three entities that's involved. There's the market maker, the hedge funds, and then there's the government, right? So anyways, just my rant for the day. Couldn't deliver yesterday because, again, I was down bad. But let me know what you think. Do you think that somehow, some way, the government is colluding with the hedge funds to pay their short interest tab to keep this price this low? Let me know what you think down in the comments. I'm going to continue to eat my food and then head back home. See you guys on the other side. Peace.